So in this question we need to find the area of yellow shaded triangle, that is triangle ABC. So it is a right angle triangle, and simply we know that the formula of a right angle triangle is base times altitude divided by 2. So we can take this as base, which is given to us, but the altitude is not known to us. So our endeavor will be to find this length AB. So for that, first of all, it is given in the question that these two angles are equal. So if this is theta, this angle is also theta. In short, AC is the angle bisector of angle at vertex A. Now if we have a triangle, and if one of the internal angles is bisected, say for example this side is A, this is B, and distance from here to here is C, and from here to here is D, and this is the angle bisector. So as per the angle bisector theorem, A upon B, so A upon B equals C upon D. So this is C upon D. So this theorem we will be using to find the value of BA. For that, let us assume the length of BA as x and length of AD as y. Using the angle bisector theorem just seen, this can be assumed as A and x can be assumed as B, then C is equal to 15 and D is equal to 12. So let us substitute the value of A, B, C, D here. So in place of A we can write y, B as x, and C as 15 and D as 12. Let us further simplify this. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 4 is 12. So this we get 5 upon 4. Now this expression can be rewritten as y upon 5 equals x upon 4, and let us equate it with some constant k, where k is greater than 0. Now from here we can write y by 5 is equal to k, so y equals 5 times k. Likewise, x upon 4 is equal to k, so x equals 4 times k. So in place of y we can write 5 times k, and in place of x we can write 4 times k. Now if we see right triangle ABD and apply Pythagorean theorem, we will get 5k squared, that is the square of hypotenuse, is equal to 4k squared plus this will be 15 plus 12, 27 squared. The main intention here is to get the value of k, so that we can multiply it with 4 and get the value of AB. So on simplifying this, we will get 25k squared equals 16k squared plus 27 squared, which is 729. Let us shift it here. So 25 minus 16 is 9, k squared is 729. So k squared will be 729 upon 9, which is 81. So k will be equal to square root of 81. Since k is greater than 0, so the value of k will be 9. So from here we can get the length of AB as 4 times 9, that is 36. Now this area of yellow shaded region will be equal to half times the base, that is 12, times the altitude, which we just found as 36. So 2, 6 times 12. So 36 times 6 will be 216 square units. So this area of yellow shaded region is 216 square units.